My name is Ivy and I'm 11 years old. Welcome back with my science facts. And here today, I'll come back with a topic called How Rockets Work. And I learned it in Asolo Science 6. Okay, let's start. Well, first let me introduce you the part of the rocket. Here is the nose cone. It's shaped like a bit triangle. Yeah, the rocket's a bit triangle. And draw it, but I can't draw very well, so please excuse me for this. Okay. And here's the window. And it's helped this astronauts when they go to the sky and the space, they can look outside the sky. Here is body tubes. Yeah, body tubes. And in their body tube, there are engines and fuel tanks. There are a bit of fuel tanks here. And you know that the rockets work by fuel. And here is fin. Usually, the rocket will have 3 fins, but some have 4 or 2. It's mainly of it. And here is the exhaust flames. Well, exhaust flames are like we burned the fuel, and then the exhaust goes down here. It's burnt in the sky. Okay, so it's kind of like how the rocket works is similar to how a balloon works. You may ask that, well, how we can simulate each other? Okay, let me give you an example. Here's an example. When you have a balloon, and then you fill it with your gas. Well, it go bigger and bigger every day as you giving it as more gas, it will get as bigger as it. Okay, so when you have that, and then you pick it up, kind of like don't pick it and don't tie it. When you throw it away, you throw it in the skies, and then it will fly and fly and fly around and around, and the gas is getting out of the balloon. And well, when the gas is getting out and it's gone away, all of the balloon kind of like is dumped and it flies to the skies. But it's that flies, and by that gas is too much for a balloon, it will get it out. So well, that's of course and very similar to the rocket. Okay, it's their fuel and the engines burned the fuel. And is there too much gas for this rocket? It's too much gas for this rocket. It will kind of like it's burst, and the gas will burst here, and this make the rocket work because there are a lot of gas, and it's burned the fuel is a very large amount of this. Because you know why? The rocket is very tall and it's very big. That's why we need a lot of fuel to burn. We need fuel to burn it, and then the exhaust flame will come out. It's very fast and very hot, and then the rocket will go up into the space, and that's how a rocket works. Well, it was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. He has said for every action there is an equal and opposite reactions. And do you know when the exhaust flames goes down here, the way rocket go would make it the opposite. Is go up. Is if the exhaust flames go down, it will go up. Okay, so it's go up to space. As you know, the rocket is one today is one of the most important vehicles in transportation, to have astronauts, to have scientists discover the space, the moon, the solar systems, and most stars in the space, and discover new things as not on Earth. And now, let me ask you a question. Do you know where the exhaust flames goes when it goes out of this rocket? Well, one information I give to you that the exhaust flames will kind of like this 4 small pieces. Can it be larger than me, but it can be small pieces, and they form when exhaust flames, and it's kind of like this fly down, go down to the plant. And sometimes it can hurt people. But how can we like don't hurt people, but we still can do the project to make the rocket go into space to discover new things? Well, mainly rocket stations will be built kind of like that is to be built near the oceans or is far away from big cities or towns for where people live, because it can be safe for the peoples. And when the rocket like 1, 2, 3 go and it's go up here and the exhaust flames go back here and 4 small pieces, it won't hurt peoples. And if the rocket is ride by an astronaut and kind of like he goes up in the space and kind of like have the distance. And down here is the oceans and up here is space. And when you go up, there are like small pieces of extra flames flying down and down and down to the oceans. And it's kind of like it's going to the oceans. And sometimes I think it can form islands. But no, that's just my thinking. So I don't think it's true. And it's well kind of like mainly built far away from big cities, far away from towns, far away people live, or sometimes on land, but kind of like their land, but no animals or no people live there. It can be a safe place to build a rocket station too. And that's how rocket station work. Now you know about rocket ride, discover new things, and see you tomorrow's because I'm going to have a rocket lab about how to build your own rocket. Thank you.